Hey there, game developers! Today I'm excited to show you Ocean Simple, the fastest way to add beautiful animated water to your Unity projects. Let me show you just how easy it is. Ocean Simple uses a single script that handles everything automatically. Simply drag it onto any game object and boom, you've got waves. You can instantly adjust three simple parameters: wave height for bigger splashes, wave frequency to control density, and wave speed to match your game's pace. What makes Ocean Simple special is its performance. We've optimized it to run smoothly on all platforms, including mobile. The script creates a custom mesh, animates it procedurally, and even updates the collider in real time for proper physics interactions. Need a larger ocean? No problem. Just adjust the ocean scale values and it automatically resizes. And since it's built on Unity's standard rendering, it works with any water material you choose, from simple and cartoonish to more realistic styles. Ocean Simple is available now in the Asset Store. Grab it today and add those waves to your game in minutes, not hours.